Hello again, this is Sarah, One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing, and welcome back to our Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We are into the optimization section of the checklist, as I mentioned in the last video. And today we're talking about whether you are making regular bid adjustments based on performance by device. So there's a lot of talk obviously at the moment about the fact that mobile is, there's so much traffic on mobile that your website must be mobile, must work well on mobile, must convert well on mobile. And hopefully you have all that sort of sorted and organized. But it's still really important to actually look at the data within your Google Ads account and see how different devices convert. So it's very likely that you will find that normally it is mobile and tablet that doesn't do quite as well as desktop even now, even if you have a well-optimized website that on mobile. Sometimes people just prefer to place an order on a website rather than fiddle about on the phone where everything's really small. So it's really important that you know this and that you make adjustments to your bids so that you don't waste too much money on really expensive conversions on mobiles. So I'll quickly show you where to go to check. So there are two places that you can check. I'm just in the campaigns screen now. Unfortunately, there's no data in this account because it is a test account. But you can go to the segment section here and just click on device. And then what that will show you is a breakdown for each campaign. You'll have, if you make sure that you have, conversion information in your columns, so to update your columns to make sure that you have your conversions, your cost per conversion, and your conversion value over cost. That gives you your return on investment, your return on ad spend figure, and then you will see here, you'll see quite quickly which ones are doing better and which ones are not. And then you can make the adjustments so you can bid down on the ones that aren't doing well and even up a little bit if maybe computers is doing really well. You might want to bid up a little bit on that. The other way that you can do it is you just go to the campaigns screen and then just click on devices down the side here. And this is where you can also see what bid adjustments you have in place. So it's not quite, let's move me up there, not quite as easy to sort of see. I tend to sort by campaign so that I can see computer, mobile, tablet for one campaign. I can see the performance over here. Again, change the column so you can see what's relevant for you. And then you can make the bid adjustments here. So I might look and go, oh, mobile's doing really poorly, so I might want to decrease that by, I don't know, 35%, something like that. And then you can obviously then monitor and see what adjustments you've got in place. You can come back then again, maybe in a month's time, and look to see how it's performing, see if you need to make any more tweaks. That's what you need to do. You need to make sure that you are monitoring performance by device and making adjustments where necessary to get the best return for your advertising budget. And we'll continue with our optimization theme in the next video. But until then, please post comments and questions in the below the video here, and don't forget to like and share if you feel somebody else could find value, and also subscribe to the channel over here. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.